Alright guys, so welcome to Turf. We are going to fishing over at a private pond. And I'm going to go fishing with some friends. And we're going to get at it. Head on over there. Hopefully we can fish there. No one yells at us or anything. So, alright, let's go. Yeah, the weed.
Garlic them, Eliana.
Alright guys, so we made it to our destination. I got my buddy Josh here, and we're gonna hit the pond. Alright guys, I think I might not fish here because it's a little weedy. We got those guys over there. So, I might fish right there. Let me try this spot for a second. So I think I'm gonna just try the spinner real quick, just to see what it does. I know it's just for trout and stuff. I want to see what these fish think of it because everybody here has been using worms and stuff. So I'm gonna try it out. So that one didn't work. So we're going to switch to this one. That guy over there said that he caught a 2-pounder. So I'm going to try doing this and see what might hook up. First cast with the spin bait. Changing spots, coming on over here in this little corner. See if I can catch anything. Oh geez, there's a lot of frogs. You catching frogs over there? Alright guys, I got a bite on that one. I'm going to see if I can get one on the next cast. Ooh. Oh man. So freaking weedy. I don't like it at all. Nope, he's breaking the rules. He's not supposed to be there. Oh well. Doesn't matter, right? Just fishing, right? Bring it on over. He got a big old frog. We should totally use a frog and try fishing. I told you he was frog fishing and not... Well, why should I even say fishing? He was just frogging. Oh well.
I'm gonna bring him over there.
Man, these bass keep on biting, but they don't want it. Yeah, we went to Nevada. Yeah, we went to Nevada. He's coming on over. Oh, man. Got this little knot in this.
I'm not sure if I can get this out.
Uh-oh. Alright, we gotta go help him out. Here, come over and bring it by the pliers and we're gonna try getting the hook out. He just said fish on, but then he lost it, I guess. Come over here, Josh. No, not kill it. Fish with it. I'm gonna do a cast right here real quick. Just see my little luck. All right. No, I got it. Okay, come here, buddy. Oh, jeez, you got it all over. You didn't even bite it. It just got stuck in his neck.
That is
That is kind of.
helping you.
I kind of want to keep him after just to see if he survives. Like, I don't know if they survive after this. Honestly, like, look, that's like tearing your skin pretty much.
Oh.
Dude, I don't know, dude.
Just cut it, just cut the thing off. Kill him, I think. That's you, like, it's like...
It's
just cut the hook.
all over him.
Cut the hook. Cut the hook. Cut the hook.
I feel so bad, dude.
Hook.
I'm sorry.
Cut the hook. Cut the hook. Why can't you cut the hook?
Oh. Smell. Oh, it's almost out. It's just one hook left.
I think we should probably kill it. It's really bad.
Oh, there we go. There we go.
It's
Dude, look at this frog. It's gigantic. It's not bleeding though.
Josh, that's you.
Actually?
It's like
Okay.
Well, and that's his neck. His fault.
It's not actually a whole food. So I think it'll heal. Alright, let's keep fishing. Alright, so I think I've been slow-moing some of these videos, so I have no idea, but I've been getting catches right there. Or, like, not catches, but bites, and I think I might get one this throw. And I can't feel it because I broke my tip off of my pole yesterday. I can't really tell. Jeez, I don't know if it's weeds or what. You know, like those better fishermen can tell like if it's a rock or if it's weeds or it's a bluegill. I can't tell. All I know is it's tugging on the pole. Usually I can tell with a tip, but obviously it fell off, so I have no idea. Ah, man, I can't tell. Yeah, if you guys are cold, then fish with it. Alright, so I moved my location. These guys are gone, and so there's not very many weeds right here. So let's try this spot out. There's like, I saw a fish jump right there, and there's a little bit, some right there. So maybe we get some right here. First cast. What? Yeah. Nothing on the first throw. Some weeds. My friend caught a bluegill with that little hook that I was talking to you guys about. All right, let's check it out. Look at it, so tiny.
Shall I give it
Here, smell. Yeah, sure, give it a kiss.
Okay.
There she goes. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go on over there and try fishing. So far we only got a bluegill, and I wish I had like a worm or something, which I should have brought. I was regretting it when I got here. I got no shoes on, so I'm gonna go grab my shoes and head on over there. But I'm gonna be fishing for a little bit, and I don't know what percent my phone's at, because last time I checked it, it was around 10%. So I'm gonna go on over there, and I'm gonna check my phone percent, and I might end it. Okay guys, so my phone's at 2%, and I'm just gonna videotape whenever I catch a fish, and just the part when I get the fish in, and then just kind of like, you know, take pictures and stuff. And so that's pretty much it. So I'll catch you guys on the next pond.